Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Colleagues, it's my pleasure to carry this bill to update our bread laws. Thank you for your time and support of House Bill 3334. This bill was brought to my attention during the investigation into the cookie bill, which we had seen on the floor earlier, House Bill 3189. When we contacted the Food Safety Division of the Oregon Department of Agriculture, during our discussion with Vance Bybee, Director of Food Safety Division of the Oregon Department of Agriculture, we also became aware of the need to update our bread laws. Under ORS 625.215, it says, "It shall be unlawful for any person to manufacture, bake, sell, or offer for sale for human consumption any of the breads, rolls, buns specified in ORS 625.212, unless they are enriched." We are simply looking to exempt the mandatory vitamin enrichment of those breads and bread products that are derived from whole grain. This would ensure that the bread product derived from whole grains would contain vitamins that naturally occur in whole grain bread and would not include those vitamins which do not naturally occur in the whole grain bread. If passed, organic and natural bakeries could now sell bread in a natural and nutritious state without the artificial presence of mandatory vitamin enrichment if derived from whole grain. This bill is approved by the Food Safety Division of Oregon Department of Agriculture. This bill is in line with federal law and the FDA under Section 2 of the Federal Standards of Identity of Bread relating to whole grain bread products. This bill, upon passage, would allow Oregonians personal freedom to purchase bread products based on their own dietary needs. Thank you again for your time and consideration in this matter. I encourage and appreciate your support of House Bill 3334.
Thank you, Representative.